I can do this, right? Like I had that push when everyone else was doing it. I was like, I'm going to jump too. And then I pushed my 5K up to 10K. And then I created a tier on top of that. That is my $30,000 program.
When that big shift happened, like, how did you feel? Like your beta program was $297, right?
Yeah, the beta program was $297, which sounds crazy now. But I had really great results in that beta. I mean, I had a girl come through who was making $1,200 a month, just making peanuts, working for a copywriting agency. She came in, took my program, and in 4 weeks, she closed $10,000 in clients, 3 clients back to back at $3,500. And I was like, this is insane. I can't be charging $297 for this stuff. So I had that shift and it happened. And, you know, Dan really kind of gives you the permission, right, to go high ticket. And I was very scared. And I actually did another launch that was at $1,497. And again, those people got great results. And so finally I bit the bullet and I was like, I'm going up to 5K. And I went up to 5K and I sold great at 5K. And the people that came in at 5,000 were amazing people to work with. And it was so much easier. And Dan kind of has this thing where he's always telling you like high ticket's where it's at. And you're kind of like, I don't know if I'm good enough. And then you realize that, you know, the results and understanding the return on investment inside of your programs, like Dan helps you to understand ROI in such a different way that it really helped me to have the confidence and the self-assurance to say, you know what, like, I'm not doing this. Like, I'm not going to undervalue myself anymore. If these people over here can do it, then so can I. And being in that community full of other people that were raising their prices at the same time was really helpful for me because it made me feel like I can do this, right? Like I had that push when everyone else was doing it. I was like, I'm going to jump too. And then I pushed my 5K up to 10K. And then I created a tier on top of that. That is my $30,000 program.